Hi guys, so for this stitch you need to chain multiples of 4. So I'll start by chaining 52. I don't know if I should make this with double crochets or triple crochets, but let's try with triple crochets. So through the 4th chain from the hook I'll make 1 triple crochet. You'll go faster with triple crochets. Now I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 triple crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 1 triple crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 triple crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 1 triple crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 triple crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 1 triple crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 triple crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 1 triple crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 triple crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 1 triple crochet. So we repeat this throughout row 1. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2 I'll turn my work around. Then right here through this 1 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch, and now I'll chain 5. Then through that same 1 chain loop I'll make 1 triple crochet. Through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 triple crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same 1 chain loop I'll make 1 triple crochet. Through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 triple crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same 1 chain loop I'll make 1 triple crochet. Through the next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 triple crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same 1 chain loop I'll make 1 triple crochet. Through the next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 triple crochet. Chain 1, then through that same 1 chain loop I'll make 1 triple crochet. Through the next 1 chain loop I'll make 1 triple crochet. Chain 1, then through that same 1 chain loop I'll make 1 triple crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 2. So now that we are at the end of row 2, right here through this last loop I'll make 1 triple crochet. I'll chain 1, and through that same loop I'll make 1 triple crochet. So this completes row 2. Now for row 3 we'll turn our work around. Through that 1 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 5. Then through that same loop I'll make 1 triple crochet. So you see here for row 3 we are repeating row 2. So it's just 1 row repeat. You can also make double crochets instead of triple crochets, but I kind of like how it looks with triple crochets more, because you can see the pattern more clear than if you use just double crochets. So we're just making a V-stitch within a V-stitch for every row. For the pattern we repeat row 2.
82 inches. So we repeat this until our work reaches 82 inches. See, I've used 2 different colors. I actually like how it looks with 2 different colors. You can make tassels if you want to, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to stop now. So now that we have only 1 stitch left, I will just chain 1, Then I will weave these ends in. This is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching.